Hi there everyone, thanks for taking the time to look at my video, and this is an Ecoin tutorial on how you can get 600 Ecoin for absolutely nothing, and just for signing up for an account on Ecoin. And if you take a look at my description below, you'll see the Ecoin link. Should be a bit.ly link. Click on it and it should take you straight to this dashboard or web page. And you can see a bit of information here about Ecoin, where it's currently listed, exchanges. Scroll down, a bit more information here about where the project is going for the future. You can see a video here about Ecoin again, the founders, and finally a contact form at the bottom as well, should you need to contact Ecoin with any queries about your account. You can see on the right hand side here on the floating buttons that you've got a WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter account and Telegram as well, so it's always worth joining up to them so you can keep really up to date with the project and any future exchanges it's going to appear on which might affect the price. But yeah, back to the tutorial. Once you've clicked on the link in my description below, it should take you to this web page where you can then sign up. If you're already signed in with Google, I mean most people have a Google account these days, so yeah, if you just click on the sign in with Google, it'll literally fill in all the information and take you straight to the Ecoin dashboard where your Ecoin will be credited. Like I say, I think you get 600 Ecoin at the moment. A month back it was 750. Time before that it was even 1,000 Ecoin. But I believe Ecoin is really growing quickly, and once they hit their target or get closer to the target, they'll probably drop the amount of Ecoins that they'll actually give away to new registrations, new sign-ups. But like I say, the quickest way to do this is just click the sign in with Google button. Like I say, it takes you straight to your dashboard with your accredited Ecoin. If you want to do it the old-fashioned way, name, last name, email address, use a real email address because they will send you a verification link which you'll have to click on. It's within seconds, it's in your email box. So yeah, make sure you use a real email address in there. Enter a password. Make sure you confirm the button here, and just to clarify that you don't have any other accounts, just to stop anyone joining up with fake accounts and what have you. It makes sense. So yeah, once you click that button, hit the sign up with email button. I think you normally get a pop-up coming in the middle. Again, just click the sign up just to confirm it, and go to your email account and verify it. Once you've done that, it will then take you straight to your dashboard, which should look similar to this. You'll see here I've got a current balance of 0, but what I done was clicked on the save and earn button. We can put in an amount here, so if you wanted to put all of your Ecoin into the savings account, like so I think it's 600 tokens you get at the moment, you click request and it would put your 600 Ecoin into your savings balance, where I believe it's at the end of every month or the first of every month that you can then accrue interest on your 600 Ecoin. I believe the current rate is 10% at the moment, but every time you get a few referrals you'll go up a level, and so will your interest rate up to a maximum I think of about 15%, and that's every month. So you know, if you had 1,000 Ecoin in there at the end of the month, you're going to get 150 Ecoin for free. So you'll end up 1,150. Follow a month, you'll get your 10% on a 1,150, and again, you know, you can see how this can quickly, you know, accrue up. I've only been a member of Ecoin for well, it's not weeks, but yeah, it's not months either. So yeah, probably 2.5 months, something like that now. I really took the project seriously once I'd done a bit of homework into it for about 2 or 4 weeks. So about the past 4 to 6 weeks I've been just sort of promoting it really. It's a great little project, and like I say, I think it's got a lot of potential for the future. So yeah, you can see here balances. They're even donating at the moment to various coronavirus sort of help centres and support centres out there, which is a good thing. You can also see here what the current value of your coins that you got on your account, the potential value in the future when they hit their 100 million users. Again, on your dashboard you can see here if you've got any referrals, your referrals will appear here, and then at the bottom is your transactions. So any referrals that sign up appear here. The interest that you get by putting your Ecoin from your current balance into your savings balance will appear in your transactions. If you want us to get referrals, you can go onto your invite contacts, and as I mentioned earlier about your Google account, if you fancy importing your Gmail contacts, do that from here. If you've got an email list and a text file, you can paste all of them in there. Hit invite and it'll do a bulk email. Yeah, so there's a variety of ways really you can get referrals to join up. But yeah, like I say, it's a really great little project, and I highly recommend joining up with them. If you want to withdraw your Ecoin in the future as well, I'd imagine as time goes on there'll be on tons of wallets out there, but at the moment you've got the Wombat wallet, which you can go onto Google Play and download it as an app. I've got it myself. Yeah, once you download that wallet, you'll see your username literally hitting you square in the face kind of thing. It's on the top of the app in a round circle. That's mine. Simply put in your wallet ID, hit enter, and your Wombat wallet will then be linked to your Ecoin dashboard, so any future withdrawals you make can go straight into that wallet. But like I say, at the moment I'm more interested in just saving mine up. I like to keep hold of my coin rather than just selling it off while it's too cheap. So yeah, that's one potential place you can do it. Also Ecoin at the moment are also trading on the Probit exchange. Again, if you look on my link or on the description, you'll see a link to Probit there too. So again, if you want any Ecoin, you can buy them from Probit, and I suppose any profits you make you can end up putting into your savings account, or withdrawing them from your dashboard straight onto the Probit exchange, and turn them Ecoin into more Ecoin. Yeah, really worth a look. Exciting times ahead, I believe, for their Ecoin project. So yeah, thanks for taking the time. Have a look at my video again. If you liked it, give us a like. You can always subscribe. There's loads more videos coming soon. So yeah, thanks for taking the time for visiting GetCryptoCoin channel.